If you want to lock your WhatsApp with a password on any Android like on Samsung, Google Pixel or Motorola, for that first you have to open up your WhatsApp, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now go to settings, then hit privacy, just scroll down till you see app lock. Now before you turn it on, make sure your phone already has face or fingerprint unlock set up in the device settings. If that's done, just hit unlock with fingerprint and scan your fingerprint to enable it. Now you are good to go. Now you will see a few options for how soon you want WhatsApp to lock again after you leave the app. Write either immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. If you want it to lock every time you close it, just go with immediately. Also, there's an option right below that's saying show content in notifications. Keep it on if you still wanna see who texted you and what they said, right from your notification bar even when the app is locked. Isn't your WhatsApp now way more secure? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.